Number 3 is because of, I would say, this 15-minute order block. Right, drawing, delete it. I think it is for our. Okay, delete it. No problem. Also. Let me go to the 15. Okay, sharp. Let me continue before I get drawing. So reason number 1, inducement. Number 2, get those previous sessions high. And get number 3, get 4-hour high. You can see, and 1-hour high is the same thing, right? It's 4-hour high, 1-hour high. Number 4 reason, where I still think this is just a manipulation, is because of a previous day high. It's a previous day's high. So we have previous day's high. We have what, 4-hour high, which is also what, 1-hour high, right? And that is what, 15-minute what, inducement. And again is what, is previous sessions highs.